As smart homes grow in popularity, the demand for remote control outlets has surged. Whether you're a gamer customizing lighting or a homeowner automating holiday decors, these devices offer convenient wireless control for nearly any plug-in appliance. In this guide, we evaluate the best remote control outlets based on range, reliability, compatibility, build quality, and overall value to help you find the perfect solution for your space. List number: BN-Link Wireless Remote Control Electrical Outlet Switch 5RX2TX, Model 5RX2TX. Rating: this BN-Link kit is ideal for users needing multiple outlets with flexible control. It includes 5 receivers and 2 remotes, each with strong signal reliability up to 100 feet. The learning code system ensures you can customize which remote controls which outlet, avoiding interference from neighboring units. Users praise the plug-and-play setup, and it's perfect for controlling lights, fans, or holiday decorations. With 10A or 1200 watt capacity, it's safe for most household items. While not Smart App compatible, it's a robust, affordable option for hassle-free wireless control. The simple button interface is especially great for seniors or those seeking straightforward functionality. Listen up. BN-Link Wireless Remote Control Outlet Switch 3RX1TX. Model 3RX1TX. Rating: 4 stars. A slightly scaled-down version of the previous model. This BN-Link set includes 3 outlets and 1 remote. It's perfect for those who want simplicity without sacrificing performance. The RF remote can control devices up to 100 feet away, even through walls. The compact design keeps adjacent sockets free, and the system still uses the learning code to pair remotes to specific outlets. It's easy to install and operate right out of the box. A solid choice for smaller apartments or offices. List number: Wilewell's Remote Control Outlet Plug Wireless On-Off Power Switch Model. Compact RF Plug. Rating: star 4 out of 5. If you're looking for portability and compact design, the Wilewell's Remote Outlet Switch delivers. With a range of up to 100 feet, this system offers consistent control over devices like lamps, heaters, or kitchen appliances. Its programmable feature allows the user to sync multiple outlets to one button. The minimalist design is great for tight spaces, and its FCC certification adds peace of mind for safety. It's a go-to choice for renters or dorm residents who need simple automation without the complexity of smart apps or Wi-Fi. List number: Expandable Remote Control Outlet Wireless Light Switch Kit Model Universal Home Kit. Rating: star 545. This SCC and ETL certified remote control kit stands out for its expandability, allowing users to add more outlets as needed. The setup includes a powerful RF remote that controls outlets through walls with ease. It's reliable for indoor use, perfect for lighting and small appliances. The system is also coded to avoid interference, and the remote's layout is intuitive and responsive. While not ideal for outdoor usage, it excels indoors, especially for users who might want to grow their system over time. List number: HBN Outdoor Wireless Remote Control Outlet Plug. Model Outdoor 3-outlet with cord. Rating: 5 stars. Built for rugged environments, this HBN outdoor outlet is a weatherproof, heavy-duty solution that can withstand rain, snow, and dirt. It features a 6-inch heavy-gauge power cord and 3 grounded outlets, allowing you to control patio lights, garden tools, or Christmas inflatables with the press of a button. The included RF remote works up to 100 feet and through walls, making it perfect for porches or sheds. Rated for 15 amperes/1875 watts, it supports heavier loads than most indoor outlets.